The United States Army missile Stinger is one of the most recognized and widely used man-portable air defense systems in the world. It was developed to replace the earlier Red-Eye system and entered service in the late 1970s, offering ground troops a far more effective way to counter enemy aircraft. Lightweight and shoulder-fired, the Stinger gave infantry units the capability to defend themselves against helicopters, fighter jets, and drones without needing larger, vehicle-based air defense weapons. Its design emphasized mobility, ease of use, and rapid deployment on the battlefield. The Stinger uses an advanced infrared homing guidance system that locks onto the heat signature of enemy aircraft engines. Unlike its predecessor, it is equipped with dual spectral seekers, making it resistant to countermeasures such as flares. This improvement significantly enhanced its reliability in real combat conditions, where enemy aircraft often employ decoys to avoid missile strikes. The missile can reach speeds of over Mach 2 and has a range of several kilometers, allowing soldiers to target fast-moving and evasive threats effectively. One of the defining moments for the Stinger's reputation came during the Soviet-Afghan War, where U.S.-supplied missiles were used by Afghan fighters to shoot down Soviet helicopters and jets. The system's effectiveness in that conflict highlighted its strategic value and influenced air combat tactics worldwide. Over the decades, the Stinger has been upgraded to keep pace with modern threats, including improved seekers and compatibility with vehicle-mounted and helicopter-launched versions. Its portability and effectiveness make it a crucial element of U.S. and Allied air defense strategies. Even today, it remains in service with many countries and continues to be a symbol of reliable, man-portable air defense technology, combining simplicity of operation with powerful combat effectiveness.